Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer tab in Microsoft Excel. So first we need to open Microsoft Excel. Pen blank workbook. Now I'm going to add developer tab here. Right click on any of this tab. I'm going to click on Home tab and choosing Customize the ribbon. On this page, as you can see, the developer tab down to the right is unchecked. We need to check it to add it on the ribbon and click OK. Now you can develop any Visual Basics application by this developer tab. Thanks for watching.